Hello again and welcome to Paradise. I'm at 55 Hatch Road, where living in Cootharaba is really living. Set in a private location at the end of a short no-through road is this 34.9 acres of absolute peace and privacy. Ideal northeast aspect for natural light and cross breezes, with high ceilings and beautiful timber floors throughout the living areas. Bright and breezy open plan living opens up onto wraparound verandas, a lovely country style kitchen with Caesar bench tops and a large pantry. This property is really unique and the home is charming country style with a versatile floor plan which leaves you with many options. There is a huge amount of lock-up and undercover parking, and in the largest shed there's even room to build a boat. It's a haven for wildlife. Kangaroos, wallabies, and if you stop, you'll notice 40 different species of birds and cicadas. I'm Sam from Hargrave Real Estate, and finding a property like this is like getting a hole in one.